Hi, my name is Annie Lord. I'll be performing Celluloid. It's being performed over 4 different days, starting from the opening night, Friday the 25th. Perfection. She cranes her neck up to the ceiling before shifting her gaze down to her feet. So my show, Celluloid, is a storytelling piece. It examines the history of the site and its use as a cinema. So I've been researching into what has happened there before, and I've also been thinking about the materials that are used in the cinema industry. So I've mostly been looking at celluloid and how it's made, how it's produced, and how it links into the site.
And if set alight, it will burn and burn.
The Hidden Door program is really varied. You can come and see a whole host of different types of performances. I always like to just start in the morning and then just work my way through the whole day.